Hi everyone. So what I'll be showing you today, how to feed a 4 day old canary chicks. And the reason I'm doing that is because uh, I have a couple of the chicks have the black spot, and I just want to make sure that I'm force feeding them and giving them all the nutrients so they can get or boost their immune system and become strong. I'm kind of optimistic with this method. It has worked for me in the past, so I'm going to continue doing this. Just want to make sure that I can show you what I'm doing. And let's actually start with showing you what we're doing. So I have the super green powder. As you see, this is a mix of wheatgrass, kale, moringa, and spirulina. I have the exact hand feeding formula, and I'm using the bird's vitamins, and I'm getting some honey. I just use organic honey and boiling water. So what we're going to do, we're gonna mix everything together. So what we're going to do, take a half teaspoon of exact formula. Actually, let's make it 2. So for every 2 parts of this, I usually add 5 parts of water. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll go ahead and mix the formula together and let it dissolve. I'm putting some gloves on, so because it's just we have to stay perfect hygiene. And you'll notice that I haven't really added the honey yet or any of the vitamins because the water's still hot and I don't want just to kill all the active ingredients. I'll wait until it cools down a little bit and then I'll add the honey, and especially the super green. There you go. I know you probably have done this in the past, but again, I'm showing you this because I have a situation where my birds had the black spot, and this is my at least remedy for boosting their immune system and helping them recover and get stronger. Because you'll feel the first 2 days they get really weak and they can't even pull their neck up so they can eat. So I'm actually been doing that now for about 2 days, and I think I'm seeing results. They're actually recovering. So now that,
and some improvements.
yeah, they're definitely getting stronger. What am I gonna take now? I'm gonna take a little bit of the honey, just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Not much.
And if you need to, you can use a toothpick to get a certain amount.
Mm-hmm. And with this, just a little bit, just a tiny bit. Just of the super green powder. Not much. And likewise, we just add the vitamins. Also a tiny bit. We don't want to actually add too much. They're still babies. They're still they have fragile kidneys. Again, I mix mixed very well. My solution will turn a little bit green, and that's okay. I'll go ahead and touch that. Here we go. I think we have a good temperature now. And I usually use my dropper tube. It's really good and works really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the nest for now. I'll put the solution right here. And then you go grab the nest. All right, so here are the birds. With this, I'll just mix it a little bit more and just, here we go. And you'll notice that their crop is filling. Those are canaries. Those are water slaggers. And you can look at their pouch right there on the right side. It's getting filled with all the good stuff. I'm hoping that this will get them stronger to recover from the black spot. I don't expect to continue doing that. I want their mama to continue doing that. Again, if you had an incident like that where you've noticed a black spot on the right stomach, then I would urge you to go and quickly, start feeding them healthy and boost their immune system. And here they are. They're all happy now. They're content. I just go through a quick round of sweep to take their feces out so we can keep the nest nice and dry. And here they are. They're not that hungry. Maybe one of them still. I'll give them a little bit.
Keep feeding them until they rest down.
Mm-hmm. And that's it.
That's how you feed your baby water slugger canaries.
Yep.